If you're an app developer or tech enthusiast, stick around for our detailed guide on installing the iOS 18 developer beta on your iPhone. First, let's ensure your iPhone is compatible with the iOS 18 developer beta. Here are the models that support iOS 18. iPhone 11 to 15 series, iPhone XS and XS Max, iPhone XR, iPhone SE, second generation and later. Downloading the iOS 18 developer beta profile. Open Safari and navigate to the Apple developer website on your iPhone. Go to the Develop from top left corner and search for Apple platforms and select iOS. Now look for the download option on top and click on it. When prompted, sign in with your Apple ID. Read the agreement and check the box to confirm. Finally, hit Submit. Downloading and installing the iOS 18 update. Now return to Settings interface. Access the General menu and tap on Software Update. The iOS 18 developer beta update should now be visible. Click on Beta Updates. Select iOS 18 developer beta. Now, click on Update Now. If prompted, enter your device password. Once the download completes, click on Install Now. Your iPhone may restart during the process. You are all set. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe our channel.